I hope Dreamy likes the surprise blueberry birthday cake. And I hope Treasure and Pumpkin get here soon with the blueberries. Shh! Dreamy's coming! Hi!
She'll never find us in here. Good morning. Meowsers, it's Dreamy.
But you were who we were. Hi, good morning. Hi.
I suppose I need a new catnap spot. Maybe the kitchen.
Oh, no.
I know. Dreamy, could you test all the cat beds and tell me which is the best? Why, I'd be happy to. I love testing cat beds.
Shh, hurry. Did she see you?
Don't worry, Dreamy's busy testing all the cat beds in the castle.
Oh dear! What's a watery ball doing at my dance?
Avast! I spy a gala moving in on my pool party!
Ladies, it's time to start the party! Go get Dreamy.
Maybe we've only been thinking about what we want.
Yes. What kind of party would Dreamy love? Bubbles and bubbles!
Slumber party!
Slumber party, perfect!
Places ahoy! She's coming!
Surprise! Happy birthday, Dreamy!
A slumber party? It's perfect!
And a birthday cat bed just for you.
Thank you!